Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Van Halen guitar is probably one of the most iconic and influential instruments in rock history, renowned for its innovative techniques and Eddie Van Halen's unparalleled virtuosity. This video will delve into the signature sound, exploring the essential elements that made Van Halen's guitar work so revolutionary. From the use of tapping and dive bombing to the distinctive tone and phrasing that define their music, and providing you with insights into how to emulate their legendary style. Number 5. Best Choice 38 inches Acoustic Guitar Kit. Everything you need to start playing is included. It comes with a gig bag, strap, picks, extra strings, and more. You're ready to go right out of the box. This guitar is perfect for those just starting or looking to improve their skills. Its classic design and comfortable feel make it enjoyable for players of all levels. Whether you're a teen or an adult, it's easy to learn on this guitar. The comfortable design and included accessories make playing fun and accessible. It boasts a classic acoustic guitar shape with a beautiful rosette. The improved fretboard and string spacing reduce finger fatigue, so you can play for hours. The nylon strings are gentle on your fingers and the guitar, making it easier to learn and play. They also stay in tune beautifully, producing a great sound. With its comfortable design and included accessories, it's the perfect instrument to begin your musical journey. Start making music today. What we like. It's an all-in-one kit, perfect for beginners. The nylon strings are easy on the fingers, making it ideal for those just starting. If you're looking for a complete, budget-friendly package to begin your musical journey, this is the one for you. What people say. For as much as it cost and all that came with it, pitch pipe, Snark brand digital tuner, pick, pretty pick guard decal, extra set of strings, nylon carrying case and shoulder strap. It's just a nice little affordable guitar. The digital tuner that comes with the guitar is a good one and super easy to use. It is going to make a huge difference in my level of enjoyment attention span to learn. Number 4. Best Choice 41 inches Acoustic Guitar. Everything you need to start playing is included. This kit comes with a case, extra strings, a strap, picks, and more. You're ready to go right out of the box. It doesn't matter if you're just starting or have some experience, this full-sized guitar is perfect for you. Its dreadnought shape gives it a warm, pleasant tone. Take it anywhere. The included case is stylish, protective, and has extra storage for your accessories. It's padded and shockproof to keep it safe. With its 41-inch body, it's designed for comfort. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, you'll find it easy to play. It has an elegant inlay and cutaway shape for easy access to higher frets. The included pickguard protects the sound hole from scratches. This guitar measures 16 inches in length, 4.25 inches in width, and 41 inches in height. It's the perfect size for comfortable playing. What we like. This full-size guitar comes with a protective case, great for taking it on the go. Its comfortable design makes playing enjoyable for extended periods. If you need portability and a comfortable playing experience, this guitar is a great choice. What people say. It was very easy to tune, although the tuner that is included I found difficult to use. It did not seem to want to pick up the strings correctly, so I did end up using a different tuner. It was great that it comes with a carrying case, picks and a strap. The finish is beautiful and this has been a great guitar to continue learning and improving. The company itself, Best Choice Products, was simply outstanding about how they handle an issue I had with one of the tuning pegs, which was working as it should. I wasn't interested in a return or a refund as I love the guitar. They insisted on shipping me a new one, took 5 days total, and also insisted that there was no need to have to return the original one. The set comes with a nice functioning capo, which you will definitely want to learn beginner tunes, and I enjoyed that it comes with a bunch of different thickness picks that I got to try out. Number 3. Pyle Beginner Acoustic Guitar. It's the perfect all-in-one set for aspiring guitarists. Everything you need to start your musical journey is included. These strings produce a warm, rich sound, ideal for beginners. They're gentle on your fingers, making practice enjoyable. It's a full-size instrument, providing an authentic playing experience. You'll feel comfortable and confident playing it. It boasts quality craftsmanship with a linden wood body and birchwood headstock. The high gloss finish adds a touch of elegance. The kit includes a gig bag for easy transport, extra strings, picks, a cleaning cloth, and a shoulder strap. You're ready to play anywhere. It's designed for ease of play, making it perfect for beginners and children. Start your musical journey today. What we like. It boasts soft nylon strings for a warm tone and is handcrafted from quality wood. This complete set includes everything you need to start playing right away. If you appreciate quality materials and a comprehensive package, this is an excellent option. What people say. This guitar comes ready to play right out of the box, no assembly needed at all. Nice, full-size guitar and the strings are very soft. This guitar has a sweet sound for a beginner guitar. One surprise was that it was already tuned right out of the box. I checked it with the included tuner and the tuning was exactly right. It has been holding its tuning so far. The padded gig bag is nice. Its all-wood construction, versatile sound quality, and included accessories make it a great choice for those looking for a budget-friendly and reliable guitar. Number 2. EVH Frankenstein Mini Replica. Get ready to rock with this incredible miniature replica of Eddie Van Halen's iconic Frankenstein guitar. It's the perfect collectible for any music fan. It's meticulously crafted with incredible attention to detail, capturing the essence of the original. You'll be amazed by its accuracy. This isn't just a guitar, it's a collectible. It comes in a foil-stamped gift box, making it perfect for gifting or adding to your collection. This is an officially licensed 1/4 scale miniature replica, ensuring authenticity and quality. Own a piece of rock history. It even includes a display stand, so you can proudly show it off. Prepare to be the envy of all your friends. This miniature guitar is expertly crafted and manufactured in China. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship. What we like. This is a highly detailed miniature replica, perfect for collectors. It comes with a stand and a gift box, making it a great collectible. If you're a Van Halen fan or a collector of miniature guitars, this is a must-have. What people say. Comes in a nice box and includes a display stand. Nice attention to detail. The first Frankenstein version that I received from the other company looked just like the $900 striped guitar that you can buy here. Paint job was great, however, details were lacking, and there was no antiquing or very much distress shown on the item. With this upgraded version, it has a tremendous amount more detail, including the routed out area where the original pickups should be, exposed wires are visible, reflectors included on the rear, cigarette burns, and even the quarter screwed onto the guitar. Detail was great. Number 1. EVH Black and Yellow Mini Guitar. Get ready to rock with this officially licensed miniature replica of Eddie Van Halen's iconic guitar. It's the perfect collectible for any music fan. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to ensure it's an accurate representation of the original. You'll be amazed by its quality and attention to detail. It comes complete with a display stand and a foil-stamped collector's gift box, making it a perfect gift or addition to your collection. This is a 1/4 scale replica, perfectly sized for display and handling. It's a must-have for any serious collector. Own a piece of rock history with this incredible miniature guitar. It's a conversation starter and a beautiful addition to any collection. Let's take a closer look at this amazing miniature guitar. See how the detail and craftsmanship truly shine. What we like. As an officially licensed miniature replica, it's a great piece for any Van Halen enthusiast. The incredible detail makes it a standout collectible. If you're a serious collector seeking an officially licensed piece, this miniature guitar is for you. What people say. It appears to be made with quality and attention to detail. We compared the guitar to his regular size guitar and it was exactly the same. The quality is as good as can be expected from a miniature replica. The bridge isn't exactly like the real guitar, but it's still cool to look at and have since the real replica guitars are sold out everywhere at the moment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.